The kid who changed medicine forever. A baby was born with a disease so rare, it didn't even have a real treatment.
That's exactly what happened to KJ Muldoon. And what his doctors did next, it literally rewrote history. KJ was born in August 2024 at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia. Just one day after birth, doctors noticed he was unusually sleepy and refusing to eat.
In that moment, just seemed everything was fine.
That's not normal for a newborn. Something was wrong.
One of the doctors came to us and said, "We think we know what's wrong. Your son is very sick."
They ran tests, and what they found was terrifying. KJ had a rare metabolic disease called CPS1 deficiency, a condition that affects just 1 in 1.3 million babies and often leads to life-threatening outcomes. Here's what that means in plain English. His body couldn't process protein, so ammonia built up in his blood. If you ate a cheeseburger, it'd be fine. For KJ, it could have harmed him. He spent the first several months of his life hospitalized on a very restrictive diet. His parents, Kyle and Nicole, basically lived at that hospital. Now here's where it gets wild. The usual answer for CPS1 is a liver transplant, but KJ was too small, too fragile. The doctors needed another way, so they built one. In just 6 months, a team at Chop and Penn Medicine developed, tested, and delivered a personalized CRISPR-based therapy, engineered specifically for KJ's exact mutation, using a technique called base editing to repair the faulty gene in his liver. 6 months to create a treatment that had never existed before. For one baby, KJ received 3 infusions, and then it worked. After the treatment, KJ had stable ammonia levels and was able to tolerate a normal protein diet. His body was finally doing what's supposed to do. KJ quickly gained weight appropriate for a baby his age, and by December, the 16-month-old took his first steps. But here's the thing I want you to take away from this. This isn't just KJ's story. This is a proof of concept for all of medicine. KJ is listed on Nature's 10, the list of people who shaped science in 2025, the first person ever saved by personalized CRISPR gene editing. We are entering an era where doctors won't just treat your disease, they'll treat your disease custom, built for your exact DNA. That's not science fiction. KJ Muldoon is walking proof. It happened in Philadelphia to a baby in 2025. And if you found that as mind-blowing as I did, share this, because this story deserves to be told. I'll see you in the next one.